Hello, my name is Gagandeep Singh. Today I'm going to explain module number 2, Hardware Basics and NetApp System Manager. NetApp On-Command System Manager. This is basically a tool which can be used to get connected with the data on tap from Windows machine. So this is basically the use of NetApp On-Command System Manager. Data on tap is basically our storage part. It's a Linux based machine which deals with the storage part, and we can work through each and every operation we can do with the help of NetApp On-Command System Manager. And in this lab we'll also be using CLI or PuTTY, command line interface. PuTTY is a software for Windows and Unix platform that enables user to remotely access computer over the internet. So to start this module, first of all we have to install NetApp On-Command System Manager, as I have already installed it. I'll just open this, and in the first module is all about configuring the data on tap or vSIM. When we configure this, we basically give 4 interfaces, and among the 4 interfaces we choose one of the interfaces as the administrator IP. So we'll enter that IP to get connected with NetApp On-Command System Manager. So my administrator IP was 10.0.0.8. I have entered that one, and you can easily do that with add. Just write your IP and give your credential. You can do it. But before doing that, I'll just tell you one command that you can run into the CLI, command line interface, option tls.enable on. So this will enable the TLS, and you will not get an error, because if you will not do this, you will always get in 500 connection refuse. So you will get this error. So you just have to go to the CLI. Here you just have to give your administrator IP, same as you're connecting with your Linux part. Just open, and yes, root, and the password that you have given while configuring the vSIM. Here you can just enter that command, and you can easily go through that. So I have already entered. Now we'll log in. So this is basically the structure of NetApp On-Command System Manager. I have a variety of options on the left hand side of the navigation panel. So this is Gagan host name. I have storage part, different options, then configuration, then diagnostics. This is the variety of options I am having, and you can see this is a graphical representation of my whole storage. The green one shows the spare disks, the available memory, and this one, the darker green, show me the available in the aggregates, and this one is the used memory. So this whole just tell me the overview of my storage, and I have different options. You can see volumes, LUNs, queue trees, aggregates, network protocols. I have different sets of options here. So but before going further, first get familiar with PuTTY or command line interface. In this I will basically I have already shown you that you just have to enter the administrator IP, and that will be SSH session. It will be all there, and you just have to get login, give your login and your password, and you can enter this. So here I will just run certain set of commands. So this is the basics command that was in my module book. So I'm just running this, and I will run one sysconfig d. So this is basically a command which show you the entire disk along with the self B and the disk serial number. So this is the command. This is the commands that are basically used. So these are the all disks that we are having in our storage part. So after that we can get back to the NetApp On-Command System Manager. So before going further, first the main part is to configure the DNS. So just go to the network, and the first option, DNS. So I have already configured my DNS. To configure that, you just go to the edit. The server will not be running. You just have to go to edit and enable the DNS. Enter your domain name, and you have to enter your domain name here also, and click add, and your IP address of your server. You just have to enter this and add and save and close. That's it. After this, your DNS service will be enabled and on with the green light you can see. So it is very easy steps. You just have to follow that and it will configure your DNS. And after that, if you want to go further, I'll just tell you the steps. You have to add some licenses also, because as you have to get access the LUNs, you have to enter the iSCSI license. So you have to add different sets of license. As just go to the add and enter the license. You can get the license from the internet easily. You just have to enter that, enable that, and that you can go through this. So this is it. This was my module 2, hardware basics and NetApp system manager. Thank you. Please provide your valuable feedbacks. Thank you.